Can AI take over the world? The idea of AI taking over the world, often referred to as the singularity, is a popular topic in science fiction and technology circles, but it is not currently considered a realistic possibility by experts in the field of AI. While AI systems are becoming increasingly powerful and capable, they are still limited in their abilities and are designed to perform specific tasks within certain constraints. They are not capable of developing the level of autonomy and general intelligence required to take over the world. Additionally, AI systems are controlled by humans, and there are various safety measures in place to prevent them from causing harm. It's important to note that AI is a tool that can be used for good or bad, just like any other technology. It's important to have a robust and well-informed governance and regulatory framework in place to manage the development and deployment of AI systems. It's also important to be aware of the potential risks and ethical implications of AI, and to work to mitigate them. AI has the potential to change the world in many ways, but it's not going to take over the world in the way that is often portrayed in science fiction.